Hey, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Adam with One Up Investing, where every day we try to get you that one up mushroom for your investment portfolio. And without any further ado, let's get on to the topic of today. So today we are looking at the markets in general, just little updates, seeing what's going on, giving you guys a little information in case you guys haven't got it anywhere else. And it's generally it's a flat day. Like you got Bitcoin and Ethereum plus and minus 0.4%, and then you got like Binance Coin down 2.1%, Shiba up 4.5. Not too many big movers. VeChain up 4.3, Tron 5.8. It's a little surprising to me with Tron, but there are people that like it. Not for me, but it is a good enough people like it. And then we got Flow up 3.5%. Not sure how many of you caught my video on Flow, but I do believe that thing is definitely going to explode soon. So I would definitely look into getting into that absolute anytime soon. Not financial advice, but definitely I think right now is a great entry point. And as you can see, mostly everything, Loopring's down 10%, but mostly everything is around 5% or less. Nothing too crazy today. KuCoin up 8.9. They've actually been on fire lately. Past 7 days, look at that. You're looking at 29%. Interesting. All right. So one thing I want to talk about was this right here. We have a previous market maker and hedge fund billionaire, Ken Griffin. He's stating that even though Bitcoin seems to be unstoppable right now, that basically he believes Ethereum is going to catch up to it. But that's not all. He's also saying that Ethereum, just like Bitcoin, will be replaced by the next generation of cryptocurrencies. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. Personally, I do believe Ethereum will have the next decade, but after that, I'm not too sure. Bitcoin had the previous decade. I think this is Ethereum's decade to lose, but after that, I'm not honestly too sure. Ken Griffin goes on to say that the early generation of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin for example, are incredibly expensive to manage payments on. Bitcoin is a huge contributor to global warming, bigger than any form of payments we use around the world in aggregate. Basically, he's saying that they're slow, they're clunky, and he goes on to say that Visa and MasterCard will be replaced by the crypto solution that will lower the cost of making payments between business and consumers. Now, if you ask me, that's really bullish for XRP. I do believe Ripple will be the ones who eventually solve this issue that he's referring to. But, could be anyone. Could be AMP. Who knows? I really do believe XRP is about to win the lawsuit, and that's why these type of articles are coming out. All right, on to the next topic. This is reported from Cointelegraph. Bull market disruption has begun. 5 things to watch in Bitcoin this week. The weekly close leaves no room for bears. Well, Clementi tweeted out, They saved the weekly close. This is huge because it's a new all-time high of 65,500, which definitely is a bullish sign moving forward. Here you can see the chart by TechDev that Bitcoin has opened and closed the week above the 1.618 level. And in the past, 2013, 2017, this has been a significant moment. Very, very bullish right here. These, a full week after being in this general area, we have seen blast off. Now, if we're experiencing extending cycles, I do believe it might be a little later than a full week, but it's right here. It is right around the corner. Make sure you get your spacesuit and strap on. Also, 135 is still in play. What they're saying is, according to Plan B's stock to flow, end of month worst case scenario, we're looking at 135 by January 1st. 135 by the start of the new year? That's incredible. I hope we hit that. I hope we go further. I mean, if this chart is any indication, we probably will. I mean, my goal is 150 for Bitcoin. Anything more is just going to be extra and I'll be happy. Don't want to get too greedy. I want to make sure that I'm protecting my viewers as well. But I think 150 is a fair place for Bitcoin to be. And over here, even more evidence that Bitcoin is going higher. As you can see on this chart, let me make it a little bigger. It's Bitcoin has been following this trend line for the past 9 years. And that's pretty significant if you ask me. Look at this. We're not even at the halfway mark on it. We're probably in the oversold territory still. So I definitely believe this is the calm before the storm. Not just that. We keep looking. Bull market disruption has begun. And we do see people starting to make sells, which is a good thing. Typically, with previous cycles, people have sold into the strength, which is what's going on right now. So I do believe that Bitcoin is going to be going higher. And these are all great reasons why. We also look at this, the hash rate returned to all-time highs. That's incredibly significant. It shows that the network is even more secure and it's incredibly profitable right now to be a miner. And why wouldn't it be? With so much demand, I completely understand it. And we're looking at our next article over here, another one from Cointelegraph. We're looking at the price analysis of Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Sol, ADA, XRP, Doge, Shiba, and Luna. All right. According to Cointelegraph, we have a little more room to move up. We're facing resistance between 67 and 69,000. But it's showing that if we can break that, then we're looking at getting to 75,000 in the near future. And that's exciting. And Ethereum, This one is a little interesting. It's following a channel, an ascending channel from February 14th as of right now, but when you look at it, what they're saying is the 5,000 mark is going to be a huge psychological mark. I do believe we'll hit the 5,000 and then we'll come to a stop. With BNB, we're looking at it trying to break above the 670 right now. And honestly, I don't think that BNB is going to have much of an issue getting through this over the next 2 weeks. But they're saying that BNB could fall all the way, if it doesn't break through this, could fall all the way through 524. Solana, one of my absolute favorite projects. I have a lot of Solana. I love it. This project is doing great. Always doing good things. That is, right now it says we're challenging the 260 resistance. And if we do not break this resistance, we are looking at 189. I believe that they're saying that all this stuff about not breaking resistance because once Bitcoin starts going, these alts are probably either going to go down a little bit or they are going to go stagnant. So right now I think is a great time to be picking up Bitcoin. In the future, they will be looking at altcoins. So make sure your bag's loaded. Stay stagnant or go down, and vice versa. When altcoins are going up, Bitcoin stays stagnant or goes down. And I think we are going to see a rise up to 5,000, and that's it. Ethereum will fall. Well, not fall, it will stay stagnant. Maybe rise a little bit. But Bitcoin is about to take over. And what they're saying is if you measure from June to looks like about August, high of September, that the leg measures the same thing from the low of September to where we are currently. And yes, it does. So it does make sense for me why Ethereum would need a breather. And besides, a breather isn't bad. That just means we're gearing up for the next leg right after that, where I think Ethereum will hit 15,000 minimum. And this is what I really want to talk about, the Bitcoin taproot. This is the largest upgrade that happened to Bitcoin in 4 years. Here's what changed. Bitcoin upgrade has been taproot and it's been activated just now. And what it does is it brings smart contracts for Bitcoin. In other words, what Bitcoin will be doing now is they will be able to do things that Ethereum does, that Solana has been doing. In the past, it's been way too expensive and they haven't had the full ability to do things of that nature. This combined with a Lightning network should definitely help bring more speed, more transparency, and actually bring some dApps into the Bitcoin ecosystem, which is great for people that are Bitcoin maxis. I am not a Bitcoin maxi, but I do believe in Bitcoin. And anything that's good for Bitcoin, I believe, is good for cryptocurrency. So it'll be interesting to see how this taproot upgrade seems to shape out and what happens as a result of it. Personally, I do think that it's going to be great for Bitcoin, but I don't know if it's going to make that much of a difference in the long term. Ethereum already has all the developers, Solana, Avalanche, Luna. These guys are taking over the smart contract ecosystem. Bitcoin better move fast if it hopes to make a push with this Taproot upgrade. And with that, I wanted to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you guys think about where the market's headed. Should be excited.